Warning, warning, warning. JFF President Michael Ricketts and his General Secretary, Mr. Dalton Wint, and his 11 parish presidents who nominated him for another 4-year term will not like sports commentary this evening. But this visa embarrassment with the national under-15 men's team missing the CONCACAF Championship tournament because the federation failed to secure visa application dates with the U.S. Embassy. This must be the worst of the worst of the worst ever JFF administration. Tournaments of this nature are normally planned and publicized at least 1 year in advance. And the weekend of the tournament, and our JFF don't make the embassy appointment yet. And remember now, this is the national under-15 team, the ones for the future. It can't get no worse than this. But you know, outside of the gross incompetence of this administration, the real reason why the nation's football business is not being tended to is because the man them busy at travel. Man them love playing like pilot. As a whistle blow anywhere in the world, president, vice president, gensec, everybody gone. No one is here to take responsibility and do the actual football work, such as scheduling the visa appointments for the young players. The man them frightened for playing. Sometimes you feel them bleach and live out the airport. Yes. So as I'm playing a pass, you see them, yeah, playing. Me soon come.